Hello everyone. Rocky Top Waterworks Engineering has spent an entire academic calendar year trying to solve one problem: preventing the grit from building up in Newport Utilities' equalization basin and mitigating the $50,000 worth of maintenance costs associated with that.
Many challenges arose from the design process, including the following: teacup underpiping resizing, utility relocation, increased grit removal capacity, and maintenance access.
One challenging component of this project was allocating flow between the existing and proposed grit removal systems. To accomplish this, the current gate valves at the piping intersection will be replaced with electrically actuated valves controlling the hydraulic loading rate into each system. Also, a piping network connecting the Grit King to the headwork structure was developed.
For this to work, I was able to learn how to relocate a utility line to allow for the placement of the new Grit King apparatus. In addition to this, I was able to design 2 elevated maintenance platforms to give Newport's operators access to below the teacups and above the Grit King.
As an environmental opportunity, I learned how to develop a grit sampling plan and laboratory procedure to identify particle characteristics. On top of the obstacles we faced, we were able to adapt our laboratory procedure and understand the importance of quality and safety standards.
During this project, I learned how to integrate new mechanisms into an existing system to increase efficiency. Additionally, I was able to coordinate with team members to develop a functioning hydraulic network.
With a few co-op and internship experiences under my belt, this experience meant growing as a design engineer, as well as using my project management skills to successfully run this project.
My senior design experience helped me adapt my problem solving and laboratory analytical skills. With a future in civil engineering, this project amplified my design engineering work experience.
This design process allowed me to learn from experienced mentors and suppliers in the civil design field. It provided valuable knowledge and exposure to real-world engineering applications.
Rocky Top Waterworks Engineering proudly designed a grit removal solution for Newport Utilities with the ideals of the NAE Grand Challenges for Engineers as its focus. As civil engineers, we have the duty to improve urban infrastructure and provide access to clean water for communities. And this team is turning over the documents to make that a reality for Newport. We would like to thank all of our mentors and clients and UT faculty that helped us along the way. This project wouldn't have been a success without you. Rocky Top Waterworks Engineering. Leave the waterworks to us.